So to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu, scroll to find your Google Play Store. When you find your Google Play Store, just tap on the Play Store app. Then after that, try to search for Snapchat. When it pops up like this or appears like this, tap on the Snapchat. Then tap on update as you can see on your device. After updating your Snapchat, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for Snapchat app. So when you find your Snapchat app, tap on it for some while and tap on the app info. So after tapping on it, just tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is toggled on. Now go back and tap on permissions. Make sure you've allowed every permission over here. Go back and also tap on storage and cache, then tap on the clear cache. After that, go back, then you tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, then make sure the background data is toggled on. After doing all this, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while and you're going to see this pop up. So tap on the restart button over here or reboot on another device, then you tap on OK and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.